Assalamu alaikum. It's a real privilege to be here this morning to help launch Indonesia's process of accession to the OECD. Indonesia has achieved so much in recent decades as part of your journey into becoming a strong multi-party democracy and a successful economy here in Southeast Asia. Through the accession process, we believe we can support Indonesia's ambition to become an advanced economy by 2045. We have a long history of working closely together, and this is now going into a new phase. It's going to another level, and I'm very much looking forward to the work that lies ahead. What we are doing here today is kicking off the technical review process, where across 26 areas of public policy we will be working together to review Indonesia's legislation, policies and practices with a view of supporting the alignment of Indonesia's legislation, policies and practices with world's best practice. And that will help drive further increases in incomes and living standards for the people of Indonesia. And in the end, this is what this process is all about, working together to help deliver better policies for better lives. And of course, Indonesia as a significant and highly respected global player will also become an important voice around the OECD Council table, where we try and find the best possible ways forward for the global community to tackle some of the shared challenges of our time. So this is a historic opportunity for the OECD. I believe it's a historic moment for Indonesia, and I very much look forward to the positive work ahead of us to support the development of better policies for better lives here in Indonesia and all around the world. Thank you, Minister Hartarto.